Hello friends, I'm Bob. In this video I will be showing you the solution to the integration of cosine x over 1 plus cosine x dx. But before I show you the solution, if you guys like the solution, help me press the thumbs up icon below this video. The very first step we're going to do is we are going to multiply in the numerator and the denominator by the same thing, which is 1 minus cosine x. And hence I will get the following. In my numerator I get cosine x subtracting away cosine square x. And my denominator would just be 1 minus cosine square x. The reason is because we are applying the algebra technique that my a squared minus b squared is equals to a plus b times a minus b. Where for this case my a is equals to 1 and my b is equals to cosine x. So I apply this algebra technique to move on to this step. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the trigonometry identity that my sine square x is equals to 1 minus cosine square x. Hence in the denominator I can substitute my 1 minus cosine square x as sine square x. Next, I split the integral out into two integrals. The first integral will be the integral of cosine x over sine square x. And my second integral will be the integral of cosine square x minus away sine square x dx. For the first integral, the integral of cosine x over sine square x is the same as cotangent x cosecant x dx. Because cosine x over sine square x is equals to cosine x over sine x times 1 over sine x. And my cosine x over sine x is cotangent x, 1 over sine x is cosecant x. For the second integral, the integral of cosine square x over sine square x dx is cotangent square x dx. And from here, I will focus on the second integral right now. I can further transform the second integral by applying the trigonometry identity that my cotangent square x is equals to cosecant square x minus 1. Hence I substitute cotangent square x as cosecant square x minus 1. After which I can split the second integral out into two integrals. We first copy the integral of cotangent x cosecant x dx, and the second integral can be split out into the following: minus away the cosecant square x dx plus the integral of 1 dx. And now I can perform the integration. So for the first integral, the integral of cotangent x cosecant x dx basically is just equals to negative cosecant x. To solve the integral of cotangent x cosecant x dx, I put out a link in the top right hand corner of this video directing you to the video showing you the solution to the integration of cotangent x cosecant x dx. The integration of cosecant square x basically is just the negative of cotangent x. So the second term becomes cotangent x. The integration of cosine x over 1 plus cosine x dx is the negative of cosecant x plus cotangent x plus c. If you guys like the solution, help me press the thumbs up icon and do consider to subscribe for more integration problems. I'm Bob, thank you guys for your support and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.